Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our first chapter, that is Introduction to Geometrical Figures. Students, you must have seen many things at your home, school, and in the surrounding. Everything has different shapes. Some are in square shape, some are in triangle shape, and some are in circular shape. You have already studied about this shape. These shapes are called geometric figures. So, let us revise these shapes. First, we will start with quadrilateral. See this picture. These are the different types of quadrilateral. Let us understand what is quadrilateral. Any figure which is having four sides are known as quadrilateral. Now see this picture. These are different types of triangle. Now what is triangle? Any figure which is having three sides are known as triangle. In this picture, these are different types of circle. What is circle? A circle is a shape with all points the same distance from its center. Let's begin with our first question. Question number 1. Look at the picture below. Identify the geometrical figure, draw it and write its name. In the given table, you will find 3 rows. First row consists of picture. In the second row, you have to draw the figure which is similar to the picture. And in third row, you will write the name of the figure. Example, in the first column, you will find the picture of TV. If you have noticed, the figure of TV is like a rectangle. So, you have to draw rectangle figure below the column of TV. And in the last column, you will write the name of that figure. In this way, we are going to solve the table. Now, see the next picture. It is carom board. The carom board has square shape. So, you all are going to draw square over here. And you will write the name of the figure as square. The next is sandwich. It has triangle shape. So you all will draw triangle over here and write the name as triangle. The next is mobile phone. It has rectangle shape. So draw rectangle over here and write the name as rectangle. The last one is bangle. It has circle shape. So draw the circle over here and write the name as circle. Students, draw this picture and identify the triangles, circles and quadrilateral in the picture. Color the triangles with red color, quadrilateral with blue color and circle with yellow color. This is homework. Now the next is edges and corners. Now we will learn about edges and corners. But before that, look at this piece of burfi. What is the shape of burfi? It is quadrilateral in shape. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. See, these are the 4 edges and these are the 4 corners. Students, see on the right side of your page, they have given you a table. You have to observe the surface of the table and solve the question. First one, how many edges does the surface have? It has 4 edges. Second, How many corners does the surface have? It has 4 corners. Third one. What is the shape of the surface of the table? It is rectangular in shape. Next is rectangle. Take a rectangular sheet of paper as shown below. How many edges and how many corners does a rectangle have? It has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now let us fold the paper in the middle to bring the opposite edges together. What do we see? The longer side falls exactly on the opposite side. The shorter side falls exactly on the side opposite to. The opposite sides of rectangle are of equal length. The next is square. Take a look at the handkerchief. It is square. How many edges and corners does a square have? It has 4 edges and 4 corners. Fold the handkerchief in the middle from the top to bottom as well as from side to side to see if the opposite sides are of equal length. Now we shall fold the handkerchief as shown alongside to find out if each corner falls exactly on the one opposite. The corners match. So do the edges that make them up. Now fold the handkerchief over again. All the edges match in length. All the edges of the square are of equal length. The next is triangle. Triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Next is circle. Circle has 1 edge but no corners. Students, this is homework for you all. You have to use sticks to make the following shapes, that is quadrilateral, rectangle, square and triangle. The next is complete the table. In the given table, you will find 4 columns. In the first column, you will find figure. In the second column, you have to write the name of the figure. In the third, you have to write the number of edges, and in the last column, you will write the number of corners. Now see the first figure. It is quadrilateral. So you all are going to write quadrilateral over here. And number of edges, that is 4 in this column, and number of corner, that is 4 in the last column. In this way, we will solve the remaining figure. See the second figure. It is rectangle. So you all are going to write rectangle over here, and number of edges, that is 4 in this column, and number of corner, that is 4 in the last column. The next figure is square. So you all are going to write square over here, and number of edges, that is 4 in this column, and number of corner, that is 4 in the last column. The next is triangle. So you all are going to write triangle over here, and number of edges, that is 3 in this column, and number of corner, that is 3 in the last column. The last one is circle. So you all are going to write circle over here, and number of edge, that is 1 in this column, and circle have no corner. Tangram. What is tangram? A tangram is a puzzle made up of 7 shapes that can be arranged to form many different designs like this. How to make 5-piece tangram. Take a square piece of paper. Find the center of the paper by folding it twice. Also, mark the centers of all the 4 edges. Draw lines to join the centers of the side and the center of the square as shown in the figure. Now, make 5 pieces of the square by cutting along the lines as shown in the figure. Using this tangram, we are going to solve the question answers. The first question is, how many triangles are there in your tangram? There are 3 triangles in our tangram with number 1, 3 and 4. Next, are all the triangles alike? No, all the triangles are not alike. Next, can we join 2 of the triangles to make a square? Yes, 2 triangles can be joined to make a square, and that would be triangle number 1 and 4. Next is, can we join 2 of the triangles to make a big triangle? Yes, we can join triangle number 1 and 4 to form big triangle. The next, how many squares are there in this triangle? How many quadrilaterals? There is only 1 square in the tangram with number 5 and 1 quadrilateral with number 2. Now see this page. This is homework. In this picture below, identify the figures drawn on the dotted paper. Color the triangles with red color, squares with blue color and rectangle with green color. Note: students, you have to draw table number 1 and table number 2 in your notebook. Thank you.